Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Godfather knot. Let's go ahead and get started. It's at my belt line as usual on my left hand side. We know the drill. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to put a dimple in. I'm going to put a mocha pinch in there. Come over to the center. I'm going to bring it across. We're going to come up and over like this. Now I'm using a pretty thick tie, so you can use with any kind of thickness you want, but this happens to be a thick tie. I'm going to come underneath here like this. I'm going to come up and over like this. And then I'm going to come underneath here, and then we're going to come underneath like so. There we go. I'm going to come under here, fold it in half, come under here, and I'm going to go down here like this. Then I'm going to unfold it, and then I'm going to go up over here like so. Then I'm going to come around, come back up through here like this. Let me put my collar down, because I want all of this to be seen. Let me put my collar down, button it here. Probably not the best collar for this knot, but this knot will be good for a lot of widespread collars, but I'm just showing you what it looks like. So there we have, there's the Godfather. I'm going to put this underneath here. And there you have it. So again, like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. More tie knots coming your way. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.